Okay, we're sorry about the sniffles on that last battery one. I just got back from walking my dog and it was cold out, warm inside, so my nose was a little runny. Apologize. Okay, we're going to start with the voltmeter on this one. Okay, measures the voltage across a component. I'm going to show that with a battery basically. We're skipping the switch because the switch is just clicks on and off or whatever, and pretty straightforward. Okay, so here's the voltmeters we would use in the classroom. Okay, it's got minus or common, the black plug, and then it's got three different red ones depending on where you think your voltage is going to be. It gives you a better range on your gauge up here. So if I've got it in the 15 knob here, I would use these bottom numbers would be the ones that I'm pointing to for my voltage magnitude. Likewise, 10 would be the top numbers and 3 would be the middle ones. Okay, so how I would do this is I would have some connectors. I would usually use black and red, but I don't have them. You always have the minus portion going to the lowest potential portion. In this case, on the battery, it's the negative end of the battery. And then we go to, I'm going to use the 3, because this is only a 1.5 nominal battery here. Okay, and when we clip it up here, it swings over this 3 ones, these numbers here, and look at that right on the 1.5 line. Perfect, right? So that stands to reason. I wonder if we didn't know what the amount was. Let's say we started at, 10. It only goes a little bit. Some little goes. The farther you've gotten the more space you have between your gradations, your hatch marks, the more accurate or precise it's going to be. So it only went a little bit. It's hard to tell where that actually is. So you'd want to have as much deflection as possible. We go to the middle one, the 10. It's a little bit farther. It's just this one it's reading. Looks like it's at 1.4 here on the 10 one, right? Which it's pretty close to 1.5. We put it up here, boom, right there, right halfway between 0 and 3, 1.5. Pretty straightforward. Let's see, show you this thing here. Bring in that 6-volt battery real quick. Got a minute. Okay, we use that one. We got the negative as a center coil there. Put that on the black negative terminal. And then hook the other end up to the positive terminal. And we want to go to the 10. And boom. You can see, now you can see that it goes right to the 6. It's a nominal amount. Sometimes if I hooked it up to a digital one, it might say like 5.8. It's a nominal 6 volts.